Yes, so we've got some ready chopped up here. This is it behind. It is better to use it when it's younger, just because it gets a bit fibrous in the stems, but we like a bit of texture here, so that's fine.
Sean Cameranachan, va mi bósdig, nach sin duine sa Cameranachan colachrúmsa. Well, ha sin fír a dúri seo, ha sin dul dhéchan de se rodú seo a chudí chéile. So, that is amazing. So there's no sugar in this at all. It's just the sweet Sicily.
So it's healthy.
This is a wee minding of him because he's no longer with us. So I'm going to call this Cameranachan.
Cheers.